To get started, I just added a clip to my timeline that I'd like to add a smooth, slow motion effect. Let's begin by making sure your clip is selected on the timeline, and then use the Ctrl+R keyboard shortcut to bring up the speed settings in the pop-up. Change the speed to your desired amount. I'll set mine of 50% for half. Now, if I were to leave it like this and hit OK, it'd slow down my video, but since I have 30 FPS footage, putting it down to half speed is going to make it super choppy. So to improve this, let's use Ctrl+R to open up the speed settings again, but this time change the time interpolation drop-down to optical flow, then hit OK. Alright, this is better, but it's still a little choppy since optical flow is a demanding effect. To fix this, make sure your clip is selected. Then go up to Sequence and select Render Selection. It might take a bit to render, but once it does, my playback will be much smoother. Keep in mind that while this worked good for me, if I were to lure this even more to like 20, I'd start noticing ghosting and artificing, since it can only do so much with 30 FPS footage. If I had 60 FPS footage, I could probably get away with going down to 20% though. That's all. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification for watch upcoming video. So, thanks for watching and see you next time.